Can I help you? Can I help you?
Yeah. Everything all right?
Everything's
Yeah,
fine.
one call.
From here?
Yeah. Are you the only one home?
No.
Who else is home with you?
My girlfriend, my roommate.
All right.
Everybody's fine.
All right. But
Nobody
apparently
called.
Somebody called and they said it came back to this address, and it said they told us there was yelling or something in the background initially. Then they hung up and they haven't been able to get in touch with everyone since. So that's why we're here.
Nobody called. Everybody's fine.
All right. Can we talk to them real quick?
No.
No, we need to.
Well, you're not.
We need to.
It's not going to happen.
You're not understanding how this works. We got a 911 call from this address.
Nobody called 911.
How do I know that?
Bro, do I have to prove something to you right now?
Yes. We have to speak with everyone who lives here to make sure they didn't call 911. As soon as we speak with everyone, we can confirm everything's fine. We leave. That's it, man. We just make sure everything's fine.
What's your name and badge number?
Macmillan 182.
Name, badge number.
You already read the 189 pivots.
Right there? Is that what you told me?
Why are you giving us such a problem?
Well, because you're over here shining a fucking flashlight in my apartment. You're over here shining a flashlight. Let me finish what I was saying. Into my fucking apartment. I'm in here taking care of Christmas gifts, watching the UFC fight. You guys come over here banging like a bunch of fucking animals. No one called 911. And you're giving me a hard time. You're still shining a fucking flashlight at me. Turn your flashlight off. Turn your flashlight off.
You're not understanding how this works, man.
Have a nice night, guys.
No.
They said there was a 911 from whose cell phone? What cell phone number? Do y'all have it on record or file or anything?
732-940-7679.
940-7679.
Not my number.
Whose number is that?
It's not mine.
732-40.
Mine's is 848-466.
No one's phone number here.
All right, let's get this sorted out then, so we don't have to come back. All right?
What do you want to sort out? What have we not sorted out?
We sort it. It's a landline, okay?
Okay, no, there's no landline here.
But there's still one registered to this house.
So what do you want me to do for you?
So there, we solved with a 911.
Okay, so get the fuck out now. No, sir. You just slammed the door at me. Get the fuck out of the house.
You don't close the door on the police.
I don't give a fuck. You have no right to enter.
We do, actually.
No, you don't. It's a warrantless entrance, so get the fuck out. Get out.
What's your name?
Get out. I'm not giving you nothing. Get out.
We need your name.
Yeah, you're not gonna get it. Get out. Have I committed a crime? Am I suspected of committing a crime? I have a Fourth Amendment right, bro. Don't trample my rights. You're not gonna get ID.
You do have a right.
Let's go.
We need your name so you can...
Not gonna get it.
You want us to record that we were out here, what happened?
Not gonna get it.
Okay, so when they call 911 again, you want them to come knocking on your door again. I want to record that we came here, we spoke with you, we confirmed that everyone in the house...
Not gonna
that
get
was
it.
nobody's number.
Not gonna give it.
That is no longer associated
Not
with
going
this
to
address.
give you my information because of what you did with the door. Take your pompous prick ass, both of you, get the fuck out of the house. That's it. You pissed me the fuck off when you tried trampling in here. You banging on the door like a bunch of fucking animals. Came in here trying to throw your fucking fictitious authority around. Walking into my house without a fucking warrant. Get the fuck out, both of you.
We need your name, sir.
I'm not giving you nothing. Get out.
Sir, it doesn't have to be a bigger issue than it is.
I'm leaving, so
241, can you provide an update?
not giving you nothing.
We figured out the landline. Just an uncooperative homeowner.
Get out.
You don't want us to document what happened.
Get out!
No, not
Did I stutter? Get the fuck out!
Why?
And it's just you three folks in the residence?
Yes.
You're good, man?
All right.
Everyone's good. Get out.
Never been an issue.
Okay.
Get out.
Okay, look.
Get out.
We don't want it to be an issue.
Name and badge number.
Shouldn't be a
Well,
number of
we're glad to
residents.
explain-
Name and badge number.
Explain everything, okay?
This is a prank.
The name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number.
Let's close the door in case he's pissed off to push the door in. Okay. And now he won't give us his info.
Who else is upstairs?
Girlfriend and roommate. Nobody here. It's a landline. Everything's good. We're just trying to get his info.
I want you to go. I'm not going to give any of you my information. You're not scaring me.
They're all saying that's just the three. And everyone's saying they're fine. The number does connect to a landline. They don't have a landline here.
Okay. Would you do that, like triple play thing and just not have a phone?
I'm not answering any questions. Please get out of my house.
You understand why we're here, right?
I don't care why you're here. Get the fuck out. Turn that off.
So
Turn that light off.
Let me explain this to you.
Jesus Christ. There you go. You see. How many of you does it take to see? What do you want to
Sir,
look
can I
at?
explain something to you?
I don't want to hear what you have to
you have
say.
people you care about,
I don't
right?
care. Please exit my house.
You have people you care
Please
about?
exit my house.
Sir.
You're not one of them. Exit my house.
Very well.
Get out of
Can I
my
talk to
house.
you, please?
No.
So look at it.
If you send them out, I'll speak to you. Get them the fuck out of here.
Back out, let me talk.
Get the fuck out of here, especially you.
Have a
You
nice night, sir.
fuck off. Fuck out of my house, bro.
Have a blessed night, sir.
Yeah. Go fucking.
Just guys right there. I'll talk.
Go fuck your mother, you fuck.
I appreciate it.
Not you.
That's fine.
Fuck you.
That's fine. Thank you.
Fuck off.
All right.
Get out of my house.
Sir, talk to me.
Sir,
All right.
get him the fuck out of my house.
Step right there. That's fine. All right.
Can they shut the door? Get him out of my
You're not
house?
gonna shut the door with me again.
Well, then I got nothing to say to you.
So
I got nothing to say to you.
This way, right? Just listen to me like this. You have
You
people,
see what I'm saying?
sir.
I have nothing to say to
You have
you.
people you care about, right?
Get them out of my house.
Sir. Sir, I'm trying to read.
Shut
this.
my
I'm trying to
door.
explain. They can't shut the door with me.
Well, then you could all go fuck yourselves.
Sir, just.
All go fuck yourselves. I got nothing to say. You're not going to get ID.
Sir, they're
I don't
not-
want to hear
sir,
an
they're not gonna
explanation
shut
or
the door with
nothing.
me in here, especially
That's
with
fine.
you.
I'm not going to touch you. I'm unarmed.
Sir, it's just.
I got no. I have a cell phone. Jesus Christ! If you're that afraid, you shouldn't be police. Get the fuck out of my house.
Sir,
Sir, what?
let me talk to you, please.
Then get them out of my house.
They are all literally.
Shut. He has literally 1 foot in my
Okay,
house.
He'll take his foot out of the door.
Get his foot out of the door.
Okay.
I'm gonna be that fucking petty. Get your fuck.
Okay.
He's still in there.
Okay.
Get him
He'll move
out.
his foot, and then we'll talk.
Okay, then get him to move his foot.
Listen to me.
Get him to move his foot.
Okay.
Jesus, private fucking property, right? This is how they act.
When we get 911 calls, we have to go.
Uh-huh.
You have people you care about. If something bad happened to them and we responded, you would want us to do everything we can to make sure they're okay, right?
You guys are thugs. I don't think you would do anything.
So if somebody did something here,
I respect
and somebody's
Edison. I don't
injured,
respect North Brunswick.
We have a duty to make sure no one is injured.
That dude hit me with the fucking door. Look at that on my fucking arm.
Sir?
Hit me with the door. Is that on?
Yes, it is.
Hit me with the door.
Sir?
Look at it on your camera.
Are you interested in
get
hearing what I
that?
have to say?
Get them over here. No, I want you to get the fuck out of my house. I was having a great night watching the UFC fight, taking care of fucking Christmas gifts. You guys are banging here like a bunch of fucking animals. I don't want to hear what you have to say. I want you all to take your pompous fucking gang-related fucking activity asses and get the fuck off private fucking property. None of you live here.
Nobody's talked about any of that, sir. I'm trying to...
Okay, well, now I'm talking about it. Please exit. What do you want from me?
Skype clear?
What do you guys want from me?
This is my boss, sir.
Keep him away from me. I don't want you touching me,
You
dude.
don't know what's going on, sir.
Yeah, this is all.
You're just sitting here, gotta bang on the
I have an internal affairs complaint on one of the sergeants, and now this shit happens. This is retaliatory. This is another one going to internal affairs. I'm telling you. You guys don't know how to fucking quit. Any of you.
Can I explain to you what's going on?
I want you guys to leave. I don't
Explain
care.
it to you.
They don't care. They don't care.
What's going on?
No one cares. We want you out.
Common sense, like we understand why.
I don't understand, like, you guys can't take a fucking hint. You think you have a right to push my fucking door in. Your cops push my door, hit me with the door right there. I'm unarmed, I have a fucking camera.
Technically, what you did could have been obstruction. They're on a lawful police investigation.
Then take me for it. I want you to take me for it.
I didn't observe it, but from what they're telling me. I'm just telling you, technically it is, okay?
Then let's go. I'll take it to court. I'm not, none of you are gonna fucking scare me and bully me. None of you. You guys try it all the fucking time. It's not gonna work. You push me around too much and now this is what you get. Shouldn't have fucking pushed push my fucking buttons all those times. You wanna be up my ass on Route 1 driving like a bunch of fucking assholes? This is the response you get. Push my fucking door in, this is the response you get. Hit me with my own door, this is the fucking response you get. Don't push my buttons. This is private property. Now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of you motherfuckers out here. What do you have to say that's going to justify any of this? I want to hear it.
We came out here to investigate a 911 hang-up.
Okay, did anybody call? Have you figured that out?
No, we haven't.
Okay, so what do you have to figure out? What do you have to figure out?
If anybody was in need of assistance, man.
No.
Does anybody need assistance?
I have zero need for assistance.
Perfect.
I'm trying to go back and finish watching this
In
movie.
fact,
Alright.
I'm-
So can you please?
Yeah.
Please, okay, please go.
Perfect.
Have a good day. Take care. Take care. Bye.
Have a good day, man.
Yep, go fuck yourselves.
The video captures a tense confrontation between a homeowner and North Brunswick police officers who arrived to investigate a 911 call allegedly traced to a landline registered to the address, despite the homeowner insisting no such phone exists. The situation escalates when an officer tries to keep the door open and places his foot over the threshold, an action that can be considered an unlawful entry if no clear exigent circumstances exist. Legally, the homeowner repeatedly invokes the Fourth Amendment, the right to be free from warrantless searches and entries and demands that officers leave the property since they have no warrant, no consent, and have presented no evidence of imminent danger. While the officers argue they must confirm safety after a hang-up 911 call, their inability to articulate a specific emergency raises questions about the legality of their entry. Conversely, although the homeowner uses strong language, his stance regarding not providing ID when he is neither a suspect nor accused of a crime, and his insistence on removal of officers from private property aligns with constitutional protections. This incident highlights the delicate line between police authority during emergency checks and a citizen's right to be secure within their own home. If you care about civil liberties, police transparency, and clear legal analysis, be sure to comment, share the video, and subscribe to follow more breakdowns like this.
Yeah, I got this guy. He's getting in the door. Can you send the other unit here?
In fact, I'm gonna go back in my house, man. Back in my mother's house.
You know what, dude?
Am I being detained? Am I free to go?
You're being detained.
For what? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Right now, you're being detained
For
because
what crime do you suspect me of committing?
for breaking in the
Someone
house.
called you and said someone was breaking and entering here? Did someone call you for that? For
Yeah,
what? Who?
that somebody was in this
Let's
car.
find out who that was.
Somebody was in this car.
Okay, that's my brother.
Okay.
Okay, he lives here actually.
Okay.
Okay.
Then what's the issue? All you got to do is give up some
I
ID.
don't have to give you no ID. That's the problem. What's your name and badge number?
Officer Iglesias.
Okay, your badge number? Your badge number, Officer Iglesias?
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Your badge number, sir.
Turn around and
what
put your hands
crime do you
behind your
suspect me
back.
of committing? I haven't committed any crime. You're not going to play these games with me. Hey, man, you tell this guy to leave my property, man.
Sir.
Come on, man.
Turn
Tell us to
around.
leave my property, man. I'm not playing these games with you. I haven't committed any crimes.
Turn around.
Tell this dude, man, please. I know who you are, but he wants to. Where's your ID? And that? I don't have to give him my ID, man. Come on, man. I'm not in the mood for this shit, man. Come
I
on, man.
kindly asked for your ID.
Listen, I don't know who called you guys and said the mile was piling up, whatever. This is my brother. He can give you ID all you want, but I'm not. You know who I am. Tell him who I am. I'm under no obligation to give this man my ID, man. I just don't like that crap, man. I don't like that crap. I understand he came by, the mail was piling up. I explained to him. I said, look, my mother died October 16th. October 13th. Of course the mail's piling up. We've been coming, getting the house ready to go. This is my equipment, all my stuff over there. Yeah, so, all that, flexing. Well, let me see some ID. I don't play that shit, man. I don't play that shit. Not doing it. I'm not doing it.
From all we got, it looks like a burglary in progress.
Okay, well, there's no burglary in progress.
Okay, and we're just here trying to solve
That's cool. It's been solved. Tell him it's been solved, man. There's no burglary in progress. This is my mother's house.
Do our checks and make sure the checks out.
You can check him, I guess, man. You know who I am. Tell him who I am, I guess. No, I'm not doing it, man. You know who I am, dude. I'm not doing that crap, man. No. I'm just not doing it. Okay, but go ahead. If you want to arrest me, man, go ahead. I ain't got nothing but time on my hand because I could use a good lawsuit for the city for false arrest. I'm just not playing it, man. I'm just not in the mood for this crap, man. My mother died October 13th, man.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
So, this dude sees me almost every Sunday right here. So he knows who I am when he works at Life Center.
He works at Life Center Church.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's all good.
So
But the ID thing,
understand what the issue
shit, I don't have to. That's the issue. All that, let me see some ID and all that, man. I don't play that crap, man.
I asked you kindly for
Okay,
your
well,
ID.
it's been verified. I told him. There's no reason. Does he have any reason to suspect that I'm lying to him? That's the issue.
Okay, well, we have what everyone else is telling us.
Okay, well, they can tell you all they want, man. I guess, man. I'm just not playing that crap, dude. I just got off work, working on Life Center all day, man. Ready to go home. I stopped by here to get my mom's cable click boxes.
Okay.
Yeah, I seen you drive by. I came by here to get my mom's cable click box so I can disconnect her cable and get it all taken care of. Because I'm tired of paying the bill. I've already paid 1 month of mortgage, man. I'm not gonna pay
You
the.
guys got keys and everything like that?
Yeah, everybody has keys to the
Okay.
house. He, my brother, my sister, we all got keys, man. So
What's your mom's name, sir?
Margot Cunningham.
Okay, thank you.
There you go.
How do you spell Cunningham, sir?
CUNNINGHAM.
And
What you need to get in the house, Walt?
Yeah, where's your...
What you going here to get? Huh? Yeah. Go ahead. All right, man. So I'm in a hurry, man. Am I free to go?
What starts as a possible break-in check quickly escalates into a legal confrontation when the man firmly asks 3 core questions. Am I being detained? What crime do you suspect me of? And am I required to show my ID? Although the officers claim they received a report of a breaking and entering, they cannot identify the caller, provide specific details, or point to any actual evidence that the man is committing a crime. Under U.S. law, for police to demand identification, they must have reasonable suspicion, a clear, articulable belief that a person is engaged in criminal activity. But here the man makes it clear that this is his mother's house, he has the key, and one of the officers even recognizes him from before, making the ID request even less justified. His warning that a wrongful arrest could lead to a false arrest claim is not an empty threat. It's a real legal consequence officers must consider. After verifying his family information and the address, the police ultimately acknowledged that no break-in took place, no crime was occurring, and they let him walk away exactly as he insisted from the beginning. If you want to understand how to legally refuse ID, what reasonable suspicion really means, and how to protect your rights during a police stop, make sure to follow the channel for more legal breakdowns.